Happy Easter from Microwave Me. This year I'm going to do an emu egg, which I promise is not fertilized. And here it is compared to a jumbo chicken egg. So you can see the emu egg is way bigger. And I actually tried looking for an affordable ostrich egg, and it pissed me off that I couldn't find one. So I did the next best thing, being the low-budget microwave show I am. And this will be done in Elsa, the Proctor-Silex microwave. And this could very well be the swan song for the Snow Queen. I'm going to start this remotely because I have no idea what the hell this could do. So please, do not ever attempt something like this at home, or anywhere else for that matter. Well, that was a big steaming pile of crap. Thought it would at least blow the damn door open. All I get is a well-cooked egg. I might as well poke it. I left it cool long enough. See if I can get it to blow up this way. Stand back. Okay, it looks like it's not gonna blow, period. This microwave is absolutely state of the fart. It can't blow up things it's supposed to blow up. It looks like Elsa's going to have to meet her demise some other way. Now, as to whether or not I would recommend doing something like this, my gut instinct is to say unsafe because it kind of blew up, but on one hand, this wasn't that big of a deal. On the other hand, I've seen a video where an ostrich egg, which is just a size up from this, completely blew a microwave apart. I don't even know what kind of verdict to give this because it was a huge letdown, but it had so much potential. Well, I guess it did at least look like a giant Easter egg, which I guess is pretty cool. Happy Easter, everyone! Sorry this episode is a disappointment, but my Easter specials seem to be really underwhelming for some reason.